Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss term 2 pros sports stars. Before getting into the lesson, let's identify and name the sports. First one is tennis, running race, football, cricket, and basketball. Do you know the second most popular sports in the world? Yes, it is badminton. Do you know the first popular one? Guess it? Or wait for the answer till the end of this lesson. See, this lesson comprises of three sections, and each section deals with three different sports personalities. Come, let's see about them. See, the first section starts with reading a diary account of a schoolboy. Diary account is nothing but a book in which one keeps a daily account of events and experience. Here, this boy writing a diary daily, what are the events is going on. It's his hobby. Let's see what the schoolboy is written in his diary account. The schoolboy wrote that I love cricket. One day, my teacher told us that we would be learning about the cricketers in the school. Instantly, I thought of Sachin, Dhoni, and Virat Kohli, and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But the teacher introduced Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer. Mithali Durairaj is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day internationals. She started to play cricket from the age of 10. She was selected for the team at the age of 17 years. Here, the schoolboy has written that I have never thought a woman could play cricket. Here, the boy thought never play the cricket as a woman. So well, it was why I have never let my sister play cricket with me. Though she lives in Hyderabad. Here Mithali Raj lives in Hyderabad. Her mother tongue is Tamil. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket, the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 runs mark in one-day international matches. She is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. She is nicknamed Das Tendulkar of Indian cricket, women's cricket. What a big compliment, isn't it? Come, let's see her opinion. About it, she said that being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege for her. She also added that being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege for her, then that she didn't achieve even half of what Sachin intended for the country. On the other, she wanted to people to know her for her own identify rather than being compared to male cricketer. Next one is recently in the second women's T20 international, Mithali Durairaj and another woman cricket player Smriti Mandana hit half centuries and later comfortable 9-wicket victory. Mithali Raj actually started playing cricket with her brother, which he was young. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came away. Then she broke the traditional barriers that cricket is for men and proved that women are on par with men in every field. See here, par means equal. PAR. Par means equal. The government conferred honor the Padma Shri award. The boy was inspired by Mithali Raj and changes his attitude. He felt happy and allowed his little sister to play cricket. Yes, now we are going to study about Usha Rani. She is a Kabaddi player. Usha Rani is a cop cum Kabaddi champion. She is a cop cum Kabaddi champion. She is a police officer. Cop means police officer. She was born in the port town of Subedar Palya in Yeshwantpur near Bengaluru in Karnataka. She became determined and practiced kabaddi from her young age, and she never minded whether it rain or shine. A school child, she grew up watching kabaddi at the club in front of her house. And soon she joined the club and started playing kabaddi at the national level in sub-junior category. Whenever she was not playing, she used to sell flowers for her daily living and support to her family. She had to struggle or although. Her life until she became the youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. At the age 29, she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. Then she won silver medal at the Asian Games in the year 2018. She has also become the role model to her brothers, sisters, and other fellow sports persons. This last section deals with PV Sindhu. As you all know or very well that she is a badminton player. See, her full name is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. It's one of the second Indian badminton player to ever win a silver medal in 2016 Olympics. The other being Saina Nehwal, who was won bronze medal in the year 2012 Olympic. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's singles category. Though her parents were professional volleyball players, Sindhu chosen badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Ulela Gopichand 2001 All England Open Badminton Championship. Pulala Gopichand. Sindhu reports on time the coaching camps daily traveling a distance of 56 kilometers from her residence. It's a reflection of willingness to fulfill desire to be a good badminton player. With required hard work and commitment, her coach Gopichand said that the most striking features in Sindhu's game is her attitude. See, her attitude and hard work and her interest, it made achieve her. Sindhu joined Gopichand Academy and practiced training schedules earnestly. She balanced both the passion as well as her academics. Now she holds a bachelor's degree in commerce. She has won Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016. She won Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016 and Padma Shri Award in 2015. Padma Shri Award in 2015. Arjuna Award in 2013. See, this is the great 3 personalities. Hope you are understood this lesson. Coming back to the question, the second most popular sports in the world is badminton. Do you know the first one? First one is football. So thank you children. I think you understood the lesson. Thank you.